Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to accomplish setting up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. So here you can choose your desired language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use. In my case, let me use English, for instance, from United Kingdom. Alright, let's tap OK. Here you can also change, for example, the accessibility settings, for example, the vision. You can also here go back and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's choose start. You can insert SIM card right now and have the data network access, or you can just skip it and activate your device without the SIM card. Here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because the Wi-Fi connection enables a few interesting features. So it's always a good idea to have the internet access. Let's tap next if you are ready. Here let me tap agree to the following terms and conditions. The phone is looking for available updates, so this may take a minute or two. The phone is checking info. And here you can sign in into the Google account. So it's also not necessary, but Google account enable a few interesting things, so let me do it. Let's just enter the email. Tap next. Let's enter the password. And if you are ready, let's choose next right here. So here you can tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is getting account information. And now you can use some backup that you have enabled from your Google account, or you can choose don't restore any backup. Here you can set up some protections such as the face recognition, fingerprint scanner, PIN, pattern, password, or you can choose no thank you and use your device without the protection. Let me tap skip anyway. Here you can enable or disable backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled, tap agree. Here you can review some additional apps. In my case, let me unclick all of them. Let me then do it. Let me tap OK. The device is adding the finishing touches. Here you can sign in into the Samsung account, or you can skip it right here. Tap finish, and basically that's it. Everything is done. Your phone is ready to use. As you can see, the home screen pops up, so now you can start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.